Ladies and gentlemen, it gives me great pleasure to associate myself with you today. The present problem of food distribution can be solved by tackling it in both the short term as well as the long term ways. Under short term measures, we will have to take very quick and prompt action, but at the same time we cannot completely ignore the long term measures. The real key to the problem is decreased production, and unless we increase production, we will always be faced with difficulties, and it will not lead to the economic development. Para, it is impossible to believe that we can not increase our food production, or we cannot fight the shortage of food in our country. The people in general should come out with their valuable suggestions, and the same will be considered by the state government as well as the government of India. In my opinion, the community development department should pay more attention towards increasing agricultural production in the years to come. The officials should try to know whether there was a shortage of measures, whether proper seeds were given, and whether water was made available or not. The officials should inspect the field and help the farmers so that they overcome the difficulties. So we have to work more in the field rather than in our offices. The Prime Minister earlier suggested that the Food and Agriculture Department should be taken over by the Chief Minister themselves. It is believed that the whole economy is based on adequate food production and total elimination of imports. Para. We have made significant progress in industries and the result are very good, but agriculture sector still remains backward. So far the agriculture as well as irrigation department have functioned more or less in a routine manner. Basically, it is due to the reason that industrial sector is an organized sector and much labor is not involved in it. In respect of the agriculture sector, we have to deal with millions of people. We have to deal with